Gotta get up that little hump. Little humpty hump. What's good, YouTube? You already know what it is. It's your boy. Let me stop playing with y'all, man. If you don't know, you already know. It's BK Vendo back at it again. So today we have something here. What could it be? All right, back at it. Let's get to this unboxing, right? So at this point, you're probably wondering, well, what the hell could he have bought, right? What could be next? So I'll say this: it's JLT. It's some JLT stuff. Some stuff that I've been wanting for a little bit. I ain't know where to get it from for the right price because a lot of people be taxing. But I found this website. Well, more so, I joined a Facebook group and I found someone by the name of Nick Marone, and he has a website where he sells all types of things for basically Dodge vehicles, Challengers, Chargers. And I came across this deal that I just could not give up. Like I couldn't let it go. So it was a deal for a JLT cold air intake and a JLT oil separator in one for cheaper than what you would pay for them separately, whether it had been from another, buyer or a retailer, as you might say, whatever the case may be. So I went ahead and pulled the trigger. So y'all not here to hear me talk though. So let me go ahead and get this open so I can show y'all what we're working with. They kind of beat the box up, so I'm gonna have a talk with UPS, you feel me? Because you know what I'm saying, you ain't supposed to do my shit like that. But anyways, the deal also included a t-shirt and a keychain. It might sound small, but shit, I like t-shirts. It's, it is what it is. But and for those of you wondering, I still have not received my package from SRT3. I think it maybe got lost in transit, something along those lines. I'm not too sure, but it's definitely unfortunate what may have happened with that. Hopefully it gets fixed. God damn, this thing is huge. All right, so we got this big ass bracket and all this good stuff that goes along with it. Everything to get that bad boy up there. So you see the rings that'll hold it up there and tighten it so it's locked and safe. Pretty sure this goes with that oil separator. Man, we got all types of stuff. He gave me instructions. We got instructions up here, exactly how to do it, picture by picture. Sorry, I'm getting junk emails. Got some, what's this? Is this the actual oil separator? What's the? Yeah, I think this is the actual oil separator. Look at that, steel. Can't beat that. That looks pretty damn good, doesn't it? Make sure y'all can see that. Oh, whoops. Anyways, yeah, looks good. That's solid. That's solid right there. The fact that he included instructions really was standing out the most to me. Some hoses, some more hoses. I'm pretty damn sure this is the do not over tighten clamps. They only need to be snug. Use JLT supply, they made that screws. Roger that, understood. I'm pretty sure this is my t-shirt. I gotta look at it because I gotta show my man some support because he texted me and he looked out. Look at that, even got a nice little K&N Speed Factory. This is the actual website, so if you want to go up there and find some items, maybe for your vehicle, they help a lot of people out with their builds, and they do a pretty damn good job, if we're being honest. Oh snap, we got an air freshener. You like that? Yes sir. You know who say you like that, right? That boy Josh Laurent. Make sure nobody try to say, oh, you're trying to be like somebody. No, it's just a saying. Nice little keychain, can't beat that. Make sure y'all still can see. Nice little keychain. I think it said K&N, yeah, K&N Speed Factory. Nice. Put that over there on the table. Look at that. Yes, sir. Gots to support. Once again, appreciate you. Thank you, Kevin. Thank you. Mr. Kevin. Another sticker in here. JLT Performance. You know why that's in there. But let me just say, like, the fact that instructions are in here is crazy to me, because you don't really see a lot of like you don't see a lot of people supply like full-on step-by-step instructions with, you know what I mean, like the stuff that you would purchase. So that's definitely, that's different. That's everything that's in the box. It's empty now. Let me make sure. Yeah, it's empty, bro. Anyways, so yeah, pretty sure this is the housing for the new air filter. Let's get this box open. So expect some videos to come with installation, and I'm not no pro, so don't expect anything to be perfect. If I do a video on it, I'm not trying to do it to say this is exactly how you do it or how you may see it. Just showing you how I'm gonna end up doing it based on the instructions. This thing is freaking huge, so that car should be able to breathe. Looks good, man. Nice and sealed up. Can't beat that. It's even netted. Catch all that dirt, dust, grime, whatever you want to call it. Feel like, because this stops at number 5 on this piece of paper, so here it is. So this has to be what I'm looking for. Oh, perfect. Look, this even has a full install video available on their website. You can't beat that. I mean, that's freaking awesome. So once again, shout out Mr. Kevin from K&N Speed Factory. I really appreciate it. Hopefully the next time you see me, I'll be installing this bad boy. Yeah.